Interrogative pronouns. Asembisa zinshanenu. These types of pronouns help us to ask questions about animals, places, things, and humans, as its name implies. In today's fancy video lesson, I bring you all you need to know about interrogative pronouns, asembisa zinshanemu, as they are used in fancy. I'm Apia Mensa, and this is Mfanse Kasisia on Apodels Multimedia. The lesson comes up right after this. Akwaba, welcome. There are three forms of interrogative pronouns used in fancy. First, the ones that are used to replace the names of persons. With this, you instantly know that the question is about a person or a human. Here are some examples as they are used in fancy. Bahin, wana, himfo, and wanano. Let me help you with some sentence examples. How many are in the room? Bahin wadanum. Bahin wadanum. So with this interrogative pronoun, we are asking the number of people in the room. So bahin is how many in English? Who brought them? Wanadzi inumbe. Wanadzi inumbe. So who is wana? When who is used in a plural form, we say in fancy, wananum. Wananum. A sentence example for this. Who built this house? Wananum si dani. Wananum si dani. So nom added to wana makes it plural. That is the plural form of who. So the plural form of who in fancy is wananum. Wananum. The next interrogative pronoun to use is himfo. Himfo. And this is said in English as which or which of you. So a sentence example for this. Which of you will take the lead? And in fancy we say, himfo bezikan. Himfo bezikan. The second form of interrogative pronoun is used for asking questions about things. Examples are ibenadze, ahe, and him. Here are some sentence examples for these interrogative pronouns for asking questions about things. Let's start with the interrogative pronoun for asking questions about things, which is what? In English, we say this. What is going on in the house? We say this in fancy. Ibenadze rokodo wofiho. Ibenadze rokodo wofiho. The third form of interrogative pronoun is used to replace the names of places. This helps us to know the names of place or places being talked about. Here are some examples as they are used in sentence. Him, him, and himfa. Let's use these in some sentences for a clearer understanding. Where is he going? Him, ana him na oracle. Him, ana him na oracle. So it can be him na oracle or him na oracle. Or is a pronoun he, right? In fancy, it could be used for we have the he, she, it. It can be used like that way. Now, the next interrogative pronoun that is used to ask questions or to replace the names of a place is himfa. himfa. Where will you pass? In Fante we say, himfa na ebefa. Himfa na ebefa. Himfa is where in English. So in summary, we have learned interrogative pronouns. We have learned that interrogative pronouns, as its name implies, are used to ask questions about animals, things, places, or persons, that is humans. Okay, we have learned some examples of interrogative pronouns in Fante as they are used for these various areas. For the interrogative pronouns used in Fante for asking or replacing the names of persons or humans, we have bahin, mwana, mwananum, and himfo. We also learned that the interrogative pronouns asembisa dzinshanemu, that is used to ask questions about places, are ibenade, ahe, and ahin. Okay. We also had this other form of interrogative pronoun as they are used in Fante, him, and himfa. These three interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about places or locations. Thank you for being here and learning some important facts about pronouns as they are used in Fante. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and share our videos. I'll come your way some other time. Same channel. See you. Bye-bye.